The winner is me.
Woo! Here we go.
The drawing for the raffle tickets.
That's right. This pretty
Who's
box.
gonna win the iPad?
Oh, there we go. This is being unwrapped, unveiled, official. The paper's off. I will unlock it. Well, you know what? We're gonna do a shake. Let's lock it back up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake, 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 shake. Shake the box.
What?
All right, ready?
Yep.
All right, we got one money ticket in here. Pick it, Ron. Dig deep. And read the name. They have names on them.
Yep.
You gotta be able to see it first.
Ron can't read it though.
Joe
Duffy.
Duffy.
Joe Duffy
Joe
is
Duffy.
the winner.
Woo!